In this video, you'll learn how to embed a Google Sheet in Notion. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate the spreadsheet into your Notion workspace for easy access and collaboration. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type in .notion.so in the address bar. After hitting enter, wait for the Notion homepage to load completely. Once you are on the Notion homepage, you will need to access your desired page. Locate the page title on the left sidebar and click on it. This action will direct you to the specific page where you want to embed your Google Sheet. After selecting the page, type in the title for your new section. This title will help you identify the content you're about to create. Make sure the title reflects the purpose of the embedded Google Sheet. Next, click on a blank area within the page. This step is crucial as it sets the location for the embedded content. Ensure there are no other elements in the way before proceeding. Type in the command /embed in the blank space you just selected. This action will prompt Notion to recognize your intent to embed content. After you type this command, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on the option labeled Embed from the drop-down menu. This selection indicates that you want to embed an external resource into your Notion page, which is essential for the next steps. Now, you will need to open a new tab in your browser. This allows you to navigate to Google Sheets to retrieve the necessary link. You can easily do this by pressing Ctrl+T on your keyboard or clicking the new tab icon. In the new tab, go to the Google homepage by entering google.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be able to search for your Google Sheets. Next, open Google Sheets by clicking on the apps icon in the top right corner of the Google homepage. From there, select Sheets to access your spreadsheets. Once in Google Sheets, locate the specific sheet you wish to embed. Click on the sheet to open it fully. Ensure that this sheet is the one you want to share and embed. After opening the desired sheet, copy the URL from the address bar. This URL is essential for embedding your sheet into Notion, so make sure you have the correct link. Now return to the previous Notion tab. You can do this by clicking on the Notion tab you opened earlier. This will bring you back to the page where you are embedding the Google Sheet. In Notion, paste the URL you copied into the designated area. This action will prepare the link for embedding, which is a crucial step in the process. Click on the Embed Link button that appears after pasting the URL. This confirms that you want to embed the Google Sheet into your Notion page. Finally, click on a blank space again to finalize the embedding process. This will ensure that your Google Sheet is properly integrated into your Notion workspace, making it easily accessible for future reference. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.